So, you've been looking for Tarzan all over, huh? I hold such DNA with incredible vitality. I just had a wild boar. You know, I've always wondered how I would be able to get here. And I prayed, and I prayed. I'm surprised you found my office, underground office here where I enjoy conducting experiments myself. I'm gonna have to end your life one massive swallow. That is some filthy stuff there. This idiot will make great fertilizer.